by voting for people to represent them. I want to run for president, not because my parents told me to, not to tell jokes in front of people, not for the extracurricular points, but because I want to make the most of my last year as a high school student and dedicated volunteer of the SSG and BHAP. Being a president is not an easy job, but I believe I qualify for it. I have shown strength inside and outside of school. Inside school, I have consistently been part of the first section since my first year. Outside school, I have assisted my mother by leading some of her numerous business ventures. An instance of that would be the Buko Pandan selling at the cafeteria. That's actually my mother's project. And last week, I did all the inventory and I made sure that all the bottles that were delivered here were exact and safe and sound. So also, I have been part of various clubs and organizations since my first year. And I'm not totally in the dark in what I'm running for. I've been president of the freshman class organization, and I've been elected as the first-year representative of the PEM Club. And if any of you have seen my certificate of candidacy, which is posted right next to the SSG office, makita niyo yung full list ng lahat ng sinalihan ko since from first year until now. And now, treasurer ako na SSG. And di na ako party na SSG, treasurer pa ako. And treasurer is the 4th highest position. And that gives me the opportunity to see Kuya Mick close up na lahat ng ginagawa niya as a president. And I'm prepared for what he's doing. So, I will take my job completely seriously. But I will take all your ideas, no matter how extreme they may be. Anyone from any year can come up to me, talk to me, and whatever they say to me will be discussed in the SSG office. So if you've noticed, wala kaming mga party members ko ako, wala kaming discuss ng specific platform. Ang gusto ko lang i-introduce sa inyo, ang platform kasi po, that's like yung gusto namin ipatupad kung kami man, if ever, ang manalo. Like, the general thing na gusto namin i-unlad yung school. Hindi lang basta ipa-unlad yung school kasi ba't ka naman tatakbo ng SSG kung ayaw mo ipa-unlad yung school, di ba? Yung general platform namin mismo is make your life and yung lower years, yung life nila here, as convenient and enjoyable as possible. And to do that, madami kaming naisip na concrete ideas para hindi nyo isiping hula-hula lang namin yun. An example of that would be the peer counseling. Tapos, tamang-tama yung secretary to be namin ngayon, si Kirby San Diego, siya yung na-elect na president ng Peace Club. So, kung kami man ang manalo, yung peer counseling, perfect collaboration with SSG Peace Club. So, that's good. Tapos, pangalawa naman, sayang wala ngayon dito si Chelsea. Kung nandito si Chelsea, si Chelsea kasi, YesO officer siya. And, ano naman natin, traditionally, laging merong tree planting day. Tapos, perfect pa na si Chelsea na YesO officer, tapos, kung sakasakali, SSG officer din. Perfect collaboration din with SSG and YesO. And lastly naman, yung kids in danger of dropping out. I know this is not your case. Hindi to tatama sa case niyo, pero para lang sa sake of knowledge, ang kids in danger of dropping out, but just by the name itself, it just means that yung mga students in danger of dropping out, I want to make that as least as possible na pwedeng nangyari yun. Kasi alam naman natin, 1 or more students per year, per first year, second year, third year, sa fourth year, laging may nag-drop out. Mostly the reasons are because of the grades. And we want to not make them drop out. So the only way to do that, of course, is to improve their studies. And how can they prove that if they can really understand what the teacher is teaching? Kasi what if like the teachers who advance and the students too slow to understand, and hindi naman pwede mag-pause yung teacher since buong class kayo tinuturuan niya. So kami naisip namin na kung kami man ang nanalo, yung ila-launch namin is parang siyang tutorials. Kasi meron naman tayo committee tutorials this year. Pero ang sinasabi ko, para siyang project siya. Hindi siya yung nandyan lang. Project siya, so matutupad talaga siya. And ang mangyayari doon, yung mga math and science students, sila ang mag-spearhead nun. At sila yung magtuturo sa kapwa natin yung mga mag-aaral. Kasi baka minsan hindi sila means di sila comfortable sa teachers, so maybe kapag friends nila na magaling sa math and science, matututo sila. So, yun yung kiddos. So, ayun. So, I hope all of you listened very carefully about what we said. Kasi kung napansin nyo, this is just really a simple campaign. Kasi we want to prove that we're taking this job completely seriously. We're not here for the fun of it. We are here because we are very dedicated students. And we will take this job completely seriously. So, kung hindi ba rin po namin kayo na-convince, just isipin nyo na lang po na kung kami man ang iboboto nyo or kung kaklase nyo iboboto nyo, isipin nyo na lang po na kung kami man, dedikadong estudyante kami, we're completely serious here, and kung kami man iboboto nyo, we will not fail you. So, hopefully, you all vote straight and vote wisely for the new party. Once again, Angelica Rose de Guzman Mendoza from TU Play, ready for Student Body President. Thank you.
May mga tanong pa po ba kayo sa kanila or what?
Ako may tanong. Tanong eh.
Sige po.
Okay. So, sino sa inyo na yung current SSG officer? Can we raise your hand? You have your tutorial program, right?
Di po siya necessarily tutorial program. Committee lang po siya ng tutorials.
Committee lang sila ng tutorial, so they don't have tutorial programs, right?
Wala po kaming tutorial project. Wala po.
But once there are committee involved there, that means you have the program to employ. So what do you do there? You just post your name there at the bulletin board, then nakalagay doon, tutorial committee, chairman. Then afterwards, wala na. Will you be the same as the current officers of SSG? You said you want to help students because we have a serious case of dropout. Actually, pinapunta ko na dropout. They are being kicked out. Actually, the dropout is completely different with the kicked out. So how can you minimize that one?
Kasi po yung kiddos po, that's actually an SSG project. Tapos hindi ko po alam na ano po talaga siya, dapat po talaga tinutupad siya. Pero this year po, siguro po kasi, yung kami po, yung, hindi naman po ako yung, subordinate lang po ako ng SG niyan. And siguro po nag-focus kami more on spreading yung SG power, not on the tutorial.
How can you give us the assurance that what you have said is more on realistic, not on more on idealistic or ideology?
Sir, wala naman po akong promise na anything kasi po hindi dapat po nangangako sa ganito po, sir. Pero sir, ang pwede ko lang pong masabi na kung kami man po ang manalo, we will try our best. As in, nasa mind na po namin, that's one of our top priorities kung kami man ang manalo.
Okay, so just in case if you were the